The delightful experience of buying your new Mahindra SUV can now be enjoyed from the comfort of your home. Introducing Own Online, India's most complete car owning platform that transforms car buying experience into 4 easy steps. Step 1. Select your preferred Mahindra SUV and personalize it to your liking. Choose your preferred dealer and check out the detailed on-road price. Step 2. Exchange your old car through a guided self-evaluation process and get an instant exchange quote online from Mahindra First Choice. Step 3. Finance. Check your eligibility and tailor your loan to suit your needs. Choose your preferred financier and get the sanction letter online. Insurance. Get quotes from India's leading insurance companies and customize your insurance with add-ons for enhanced protection. And for any assistance, connect with a Mahindra expert in just a click. Step 4. Check the summary and make the initial payment. And congratulations! In 4 easy steps, you have completed the process. Your relationship manager will be in touch and keep you updated. As soon as the document processing is completed, your Mahindra SUV will be thoroughly checked and sanitized and will be delivered at your doorstep. Mahindra Own Online, the smart new way to own your Mahindra SUV.